Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file, open Figma and confirm the plugin is installed and your Flutter SDK path is available. Next, select the frames you will convert, make sure names are meaningful, and mark components you plan to reuse. Once done, apply auto layout and constraints so elements translate predictably to widgets. Export any raster images at 1x and 2x. This prevents blurry assets. Now launch the plugin and choose your target page. You're ready to generate code. You run the plugin and pick Dart output. Select whether to export assets and the widget style, stateless versus stateful. Then inspect the mapping the plugin created. Text layers become text widgets, frames become containers or columns, and auto layout becomes row/column logic. Make targeted edits. Split large generated files into small widgets, rename identifiers to match conventions, and wire up state where interactions are required. Once you tidy code structure, run a quick build to spot layout drift and fix constraints. You now copy generated Dart and asset folders into your Flutter project, update pubspec, YAML, and run Flutter pubget. Test the UI on emulator and device, paying attention to font rendering, paddings, and overflow warnings. Make responsive tweaks using Media Query or Layout Builder. If layouts break, inspect Figma constraints and component names, then re-export only changed frames. As one key tip, if something fails, check the plugin version and asset paths first. Mismatched names or missing exports are the most common causes of errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.